Humans spend billions searching for ways to extend life, but some animals have already beaten us to it. That's right, there are creatures on Earth that can practically live forever. Today, we're diving into the 5 animals that defy aging and live eternally, unless something kills them first. Let's start with the most famous, the immortal jellyfish. Scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, this jellyfish has the ultimate cheat code. When injured or old, it can reverse its own aging process and return to a younger stage of life, like hitting a biological reset button. In theory, it could live forever, making it the only known creature with true biological immortality. Next is the hydra, a small freshwater creature. It might not look impressive, but hydras don't seem to age at all. Thanks to their powerful stem cells, they can constantly regenerate their tissues. Scientists have studied them for years, and so far, there's no evidence of natural death from old age in hydras. Immortality in miniature form. Now here's one you didn't expect, lobsters. While humans grow old and weak, lobsters keep getting stronger with age. Their secret weapon? An enzyme called telomerase that keeps repairing their DNA. This means they don't really age the way we do. In fact, older lobsters are often bigger, stronger, and more fertile than young ones. The only catch? They usually die from disease, predators, or being caught for dinner. At number 4, we have planarian flatworms. These little worms are regeneration champions. Cut them in half, and both sides can regrow into a complete worm. Scientists believe their limitless stem cells allow them to constantly renew themselves. In theory, that makes them biologically immortal, unless something destroys them completely. And finally, the toughest creature of them all, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. While not technically immortal in the same sense as the jellyfish, tardigrades can survive in conditions that would kill almost any other life form. Extreme heat, freezing cold, radiation, even outer space, they just shut down and go into a death-like state, then reawaken when conditions improve. In other words, they can pause life indefinitely. So, from jellyfish that reverse aging to worms that regenerate endlessly, these creatures prove that immortality already exists in nature. Of course, they're not invincible. Predators, diseases, or accidents can still end their lives. But when it comes to defying time itself, humans have a lot to learn from the animal kingdom. Which of these immortal creatures blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal videos.